Budgie bird. What are you doing? What's up? A bird. Budgie bird. Big bird, the big bird, the baby bird. What's that? A bird. Bird. Got one foot up on my knee. You got one foot up, kiddo? Yeah. Baby bird. Budgie bird. Big bird. Big bird, Bubble. Big bird. Big bird. Baby bird. Bird, bird, Budgie bird. Happy bird. Funny boy. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. My baby, I love you. Not today. It's bird language today. He loves money. Hurry, Budgie bird. That's the bath. Hello, Opie. Hello. Hi, Budgie bird. I love you, bird. I love you, parakeet. Budgie bird. Peekaboo. I love you. Up, 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 up. Budgie, what you doing? Boys. Happy bird. Pretty bird. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Baby, baby, baby. I love you. What you doing? Hi, Perry. Baby bird. What you doing? Are you listening? Hope he puts his beak right up to Bobo and just listens. Now I got stereo birds. What do you guys got a thing where monkey see, monkey do? But you're still pretty. Took Bobo 10 months to grow his feathers out. I bought him after PetSmart had already chopped his wings pretty bad. I didn't think they were going to grow in. And he couldn't really walk very well with his splayed leg until his wings grew in. So I'm kind of proud of his wings. He was busy doing all kinds of stuff while they were growing in. Now he's a literal monkey. You my monkey? You my monkey, huh? Yeah. The monkey. The monkey bird. Oh, that air conditioner. Monkey see, monkey do.